Hello my dear students and welcome to the tutorial series in Adobe Illustrator. So for this lesson, I'll be discussing the basic operations and some keyboard shortcuts used in Adobe Illustrator. So first up, zooming in and zooming out. So before I discuss the tools or the shortcut keys to zoom in and zoom out, let's understand first what's zoom in and what's zoom out. So zoom in means you are making your artwork look bigger or nearer. So parang ganito siya. So you are making your artwork bigger or nearer. Zoom out means you are making your artwork look smaller or farther. Okay, so yun yung difference ng zooming in and zooming out. So in Adobe Illustrator, there are different methods to zoom in and zoom out. First one is by using the zoom tool, and the shortcut key for zoom tool is Z. So you can either click this tool in your toolbar or press Z in your keyboard. Okay? So pag nakikita nyo dyan ay plus, you are zooming in. Okay? So pinapalaki nyo yung image. So pag click mo yan, lalaki siya. So yun yung isang way natin. Pag nag-hold ka naman ng Alt key on your keyboard while clicking, you are zooming out. Ulitin ko lang, without Alt, i-click mo lang siya. Using the zoom tool, you are zooming in. You're making the artwork big. And when you hold Alt while clicking, you are zooming out. Okay? Zoom in, bigger or nearer. Zoom out, smaller or further. Zoom in, just click without the Alt key. Zoom out, Alt, hold Alt, and click. Okay, so that is the first method. So if you don't want naman to use the Alt key and you just want to zoom in and zoom out, you can click and drag your mouse to zoom in. So you will click and drag your mouse to the right to zoom in, and to zoom out, click and drag your mouse to the left to zoom out. Okay? So ulitin ko lang, click and drag your mouse to the right to zoom in, click and drag your mouse to the left to zoom out. Okay? So that's how you use the zoom tool. Another way to zoom in and zoom out is using the shortcut key. So if you press Ctrl plus, you are zooming in, and if you press Ctrl minus, you are zooming out. Okay, so that's the second method. So Ctrl plus in your keyboard will zoom in your artwork, and Ctrl minus in your keyboard will zoom out your artwork. Third method, you can use the view menu, okay, and click zoom in, view menu, zoom in, view menu, zoom in, or nandyan yung shortcut na sinabi ko kanina na Ctrl plus and Ctrl minus. Okay, there are other options here, Ctrl 0 and Alt Ctrl 0. So fit artboard in Windows. So if this is the artboard and you press Ctrl 0, yan. So you are fitting the artboard, the whole artboard doon sa screen natin. So naka-fit siya doon sa screen. So yung artboard na yon. But if you press Ctrl Alt 0, you are fitting all the artboards sa document mo doon sa screen. So Ctrl Alt 0 will fit all artboard doon sa screen, and Ctrl 0 will fit the selected artboard sa screen. Okay, so those are other zoom options. Okay, and the last and the easiest method to zoom in and zoom out is by using your mouse scroll wheel. So you just need to scroll your mouse upward to zoom in and downward to zoom out. But before you can do that, make sure that you set that in the preferences. Okay, and to do that, you go to Edit menu, Preferences, General, and you can see here that the zoom with mouse wheel is checked. So, ibig sabihin, I can use my mouse wheel to zoom in and zoom out. So, pag naka-uncheck yan, you cannot also use the mouse wheel to zoom in and zoom out. So, make sure na naka-check yan and click OK so that you can use your mouse wheel upward to zoom in, mouse wheel downward to zoom out. Okay, zoom out. Okay, so that's how you zoom in or zoom out your document in Adobe Illustrator.